Every chocolate bar begins with carefully harvested cocoa beans, transported from plantations to modern manufacturing facilities. Fermentation develops the complex flavors that will eventually define the chocolate's taste. Careful drying preserves the beans and prepares them for long-distance transport and processing. After roasting, the shells are removed, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs rich in flavor and aroma. The beans are cleaned, sorted, and prepared to ensure only the highest quality cocoa enters production. Advanced processing transforms cocoa beans into the smooth, rich chocolate enjoyed around the world. Tempering creates the smooth texture, glossy finish, and satisfying snap associated with premium chocolate. After rigorous packaging, finished chocolate is shipped to stores and consumers worldwide. From factory floor to retail shelf, a global logistics network delivers chocolate to consumers worldwide.